Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's stop for a second here. Let's stop. So years ago, when I started recording videos, hey guys rolled off my tongue automatically. Like it was an instinct. It wasn't a choice per se, I would say. Like it was a habit I picked up from watching 100 other creators say it first. So today I want to break that habit down, not because it's wrong, but because if you're building a personal brand, I would say a professional presence or trying to connect one-on-one with someone, hey guys might be quietly working against you. Like, hey everyone, hey guys. So let's first understand where this habit actually comes from. Because even my kids say it. I have seen so many dozens of creators saying it. So think about how you learn to talk on camera. Like I knew how to talk normally, but talking on camera. So most of us didn't learn from a course. We learned by osmosis, like watching YouTubers, bloggers, vloggers, streamers, and a huge number of the biggest names in that first wave of YouTube culture opened every video the same way. It was like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it really worked for them. It became a genre convention, like once upon a time for fairy tales. And it spread so far that it's not just creators anymore. Kids say it in their homes. Hey guys. So it's baked into how an entire generation greets camera. So this isn't about mocking the phrase, it's about understanding that why it exists and then asking a harder question. Is it serving your specific goal? So let's be fair to the phrase first because nuance matters here. Hey guys works brilliantly when you're addressing a crowd, not an individual. When your content is about entertainment, variety, or high volume, gaming reactions, vlogs, and your brand identity is a collective, like we are all in this together, guys. You want energy and casual group hangout kind of a warmth with your niche. So it has built massive channels, and I'm not here to tell you it's broken. I'm here to tell you it's a tool, and like any tool, it's built for a specific job. The question is whether your job is the one it's built for. So here is where it starts working against you, and I'm going to talk about it. First, when you use hey guys too often, it actually erases the individual. So think about how you usually consume content. Unless you're sitting on a couch with friends, you are actually watching it alone. Earphones in, maybe phone in hand, maybe scrolling at midnight, maybe on a break at work. It's just you and the screen. That's true for almost all content, but it's especially true for a talking head speaking to camera video. So there's a person on screen appearing to speak directly to you, one face to one, like we are doing, you and me. It's just you and me right now in this moment. So the moment someone clicks on your video, they stopped being part of a hey guys, they become a person alone, giving you their attention in a moment that feels and actually is 101, like this one. When you say, hey guys, you're talking past that person to an imagined crowd they're not even a part of. You had a 101 moment available to you and you opened it like you were addressing an auditorium. So it's a missed handshake, as per me. Second, it flattens your identity. See, if 100 creators open with the same four words, none of those four words are doing any branding work for you. So they are not memorable, they are wallpaper. And in a feed where someone scrolled past 50 videos in 30 seconds, wallpaper doesn't stop the scroll. Then comes a third point, and this is the big one for professionals, like if you're a professional here. And if you're a coach, let's say if you're a consultant, you're a doctor, a therapist, founder, or anyone whose value depends on people believing, so you see them specifically. Hey guys sends a subtle signal that you're broadcasting, not relating. And connection is built in specifics, not in group address. Let's say think about the difference between a friend calling you and saying, hey, you, hey, versus a recorded message that says, hey guys. Now, one feels aimed at you, the other feels aimed at a room you happen to be standing in. Okay? So now comes the question, if not hey guys, then what to say instead? So what's the alternative? A few options I'm going to give you. Depending on your style, you can use them. Number one, you can address the individual directly. Like, hey, If you're someone who struggles with public speaking, this video is for you. Now, this speaks to one person's specific situation, even in a video with a million viewers. Number two, you can completely skip the greeting and lead with some value. Like some of the strongest openings don't greet at all. They start with the hook, the question, the promise. Like, here's why you keep freezing up in interviews. So, no greeting needed. The content itself says hello. Okay. Now, third one, use a name or identity marker. Like if you are a founder juggling with 5 roles right now. Now, this does more branding work than Hey Guys ever could because it filters and speaks to a specific kind of a person. Number four, you can develop your own signature line. Like some creators build entire brands around a distinct opener, something only they say. That repetition done deliberately becomes very recognizable in a way Hey Guys is shared by thousands and never will. Like if you would notice, I usually say Jai Hind, Namaste. Now, none of these are about being stiff or overly formal, they are about being specific. Specificity is what makes someone feel seen instead of just a common address like, hey guys. But here is a real lesson underneath all of this, what I'm talking, and it applies far beyond just video openings or content creation. Because default language is just an invisible language. So when you say what everyone else says in the way everyone else says it, you are not really communicating. You are reciting a script you didn't write. Good communication on camera, in a meeting, or on a stage, or in a message to a client starts with a simple question. Am I talking to a category of people, or am I talking to the person right in front of me? Now, if this shifted how you think about your own openings while speaking, let me know in the comments. And if you want more of these communication breakdowns, subscribe Speak with Power because we are going to keep pulling apart the habits nobody questions. I'm going to see you in the next video. This is Captain Ritukumar Singh signing off. Jai Hind, Namaste.